If you're in the market for a budget laptop, you're faced with some tough decisions. Balancing a tight budget with a feature set that mostly consists of the necessities isn't easy when you're evaluating a sea of machines that all look more or less the same. So when you come across a standout inexpensive laptop like the Lenovo IdeaPad 314, it's a welcome reprieve. At $519, it leans toward the expensive end of the budget spectrum, but this 14-incher comes packed with just about everything you'd want for a notebook in its price range, including a full HD display, a sturdy chassis, and a comfortable keyboard, all pulled together by on-point performance and some unexpected luxuries for the money. It earns our latest Editor's Choice Award for budget Windows laptops. Lenovo's IdeaPad line of laptops is comparable to that of the Dell Inspiron or HP Pavilion series, mid-range to low-end machines that run the gamut on price, size, and features. At around $500, the IdeaPad 314 sits comfortably on the cusp of both worlds, boasting an AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor, 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, and 256 GB of SSD storage. Our review unit is available from Amazon.com with Windows 10 installed, but the retailer also offers a Windows 11 variant for $560. Outside of the OS choice, there are no customization options for this iteration of the Lenovo IdeaPad 314. But it's worth noting that savvy laptop users can swap one of the two unsoldered 4 GB RAM sticks for an 8 GB RAM stick and bump the total RAM to 12 GB. Do this at your own risk, however, as it could violate your warranty. The stock memory and storage amounts are on the low side. We like to see 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of solid-state storage these days. But the lower amounts are par the course for laptops of this price range, and the processor is the star of the show here. AMD's Ryzen mobile CPUs have become formidable chips in recent years, and despite the 5500U being built on the older AMD Zen 2 architecture, the silicon still performs well and is a commanding starting point in the budget laptop market. Higher-end Ryzen 5000U series CPUs are based on the newer Zen 3. The 5500U is an outlier. Overall, the 6-core, 12-thread processor has more than enough fuel in the tank for basic internet and word processor needs, as well as moderately complex tasks, without any noticeable lag. In the IdeaPad 314, this translates to standout performance, separating it from many of its competitors in the same price bracket. Here's how to choose the best laptop CPU. But enough about the insides. The outsides are just as important. Budget laptops can often feel and look cheap, with flimsy, plastic parts that make the devices feel more akin to leapfrogs than a sophisticated laptop. See, for example, the HP Stream 14. Notably, the IdeaPad 314 bucks the trend and doesn't falter in this regard. Measuring in at 0.78 by 12.76 by 8.49 inches, HWD, and just over 3 pounds, it's a sturdy machine with a unique blue finish that gives the laptop a slick, eye-catching look. Yes, it still is plastic pretending to be metal, but you could do a lot worse in this department. The IdeaPad 314 also makes some smart airflow enhancements. Using the Lenovo Vantage app, you can choose among 3 fan speeds that suit your performance needs. The rubber grips found underneath the laptop actually give the laptop an ever-so-slight airflow boost. Since they keep the bottom of the chassis from sitting flush against your desk, please subscribe to my channel for more videos.